3 steps to create a Jot. At any location on Joticle, you will find 2 links to create a Jot, one at the top of the page and one in the left side navigation. Click on that link to begin. The first step is to pick your content type, which for now can be an image story, an audio file, or a YouTube video. Step number 2, pick the Jot location. You need to get your content to the right location. First pick the category, then pick the topic, then the topic section, and then finally the list item the Jot will reside in. Step 3 is to add the content. The image story is comprised of a title, a body of text, and finally a default image for your Jot. For best results, use a rectangle image. Additionally, for an audio Jot, a URL box will appear to include your SoundCloud link. And then, if it's a video Jot, the same URL input box will appear, but you include a YouTube link. Once you have set your content, share the Jot, and you will be taken to its new listing in the Learning Pod. And if you click on it, you will see the completed Jot. Happy jotting!